How to install Emo app on Android. So if you want to install Emo app on your Android, then first you need to check your internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you just need to simply go for your Play Store. Once you're here on the Play Store, go and search for Emo. Once you search for Emo, here you will have the application, right? So if you want to install this application, simply tap on install. Once you tap on install, it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. But once it's downloaded, you can simply have an open option, which is on the right side. You can simply tap on open and then you can open the application. So just wait for some time. Once it's installed, you need to tap on open, tap on allow and agree, and then again allow, and enter your phone number and tap on the tick, which is on the bottom right, and you need to check if it's the correct number or not, and then tap on OK and tap on allow again, and that's it. That's how you can download your Emo application, and that's how you can use it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.